Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and a try on of my Quay order. I got this order when they had their promotion. I believe it was buy one get one free or buy one get one 50% off. I'm not sure, but I can go ahead and take a look at the invoice once I open this. Okay. I got this order about a week ago or 3 days ago, I'm not sure. But I wanted to wait until I filmed to do an unboxing of my Quay order. Okay. Packaging. This is what it looks like. Invoice. Okay, so the pairs of shades, sunglasses that I got were the front runners and the high key customizable, and they're in the high key ones are the mini ones. I just didn't think the oversized shades would look good and like on my face. So yeah, it was buy one get one free. You can see, and that's what I paid for the items. So the high key customizable mini ones I got in gold and navy peach, and the front runners got in black smoke. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. The first ones will be the front runners. Ooh, I like this. It's a little hard to get out. So excited. Okay. Oh, they're so cute. Like and it says that they're polarized. So let's try it on. Ooh. These are so cute. Now let me see what they're gonna look like if I have my hair. Ooh. I love it. Totally vibing to these. Super nice. Again, they're the black ones. They're so cute. I really like them. Okay, now for the high key mini. Oh, look at these. I got it in like peachy looking, peachy pinky. I don't know what that's called. What is it, like a dust cleaner? Again, packaging, full package. Now this is my first in-person unboxing. I guess you could say my first YouTube video. So let's see how this goes. If I get good feedback, or you know, I'm doing it for fun, so we'll see where this goes. This is what these shades look like. See? Okay. What do you guys think? I'm not much like of an aviator kind of shades girl. I just always thought they look weird in my face, like on my face, because I have such a round face, and I just had a baby, so I'm a little bit plumpier, you would say. My baby's only 5 weeks, so still trying to lose the baby weight. What do you guys think? I just thought it would be fun to get to do these videos because I didn't see a lot of, I would guess you would say, like videos for these two shades. I saw a lot of videos for the high key shades, but not a lot for the mini ones, and then also for the front runner. So I just wanted to see what they would look like, and I just thought this video would be good for other people if you guys are looking into getting these. Again, these two are this one is the front runner and black smoke. This one is the high key mini, and it's the customizable option with a gold frame and then a navy peach lens. So I wanted to go look and try them out outside, so I'll let you guys know and then try to upload a picture just so you can see what it looks like. But right now I'm kind of feeling more the front runners. I don't know, I guess I'll have to see what it looks like with my hair up. Okay, just imagine what these would look like if I would have gotten the regular ones. They would have been super oversized, and I feel like it would have just ate my whole face up. Okay, that's it for my Quay unboxing slash review. I really did like these shades. They're super affordable. Again, I only paid $71.66 for both pairs. That's including taxes. Of course, shipping was free. I think I will definitely be ordering from them again. The shades do feel very sturdy, good quality. I really like them a lot, actually. I'm surprised. Originally I wanted to get the gold frame with the, I think it was the brown lens, but they were sold out, so I'll probably try to get those next. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I said, I'm doing YouTube for fun. I just want to see where this goes. Thank you.